you are in China. Hey, you are in Chongqing. Hey, you are at Monument Square. Hey, what are you gonna do now? You're in Chongqing, baby. Walk in a circle around the square and take photos. It's Chongqing, baby. Liberation Monument, let's take some pictures of it. Everyone gather round from all around. Okay, get your phone out. You're in Chongqing, baby. Walk in a circle around the square and take photos. It's Chongqing, baby. Yeah, yeah, get your phone out. Frame that shot at that monument. Then walk around, take as many photos as you can. You're in Chongqing, baby. Walk in a circle around the square and take photos. It's Chongqing, baby. You're in Chongqing, baby. You're in Chongqing, baby. So many people from all around, all setting up that shot. It's a real nice monument. Record this moment. You're in Chongqing, baby. Walk in a circle around the square and take photos. It's Chongqing, baby. It's big, big city, real lots to do. But we got this little square, you gotta walk around it. You gotta get some photos of it. You just gotta walk around that square.
Okay, so we're in Chongqing's main pedestrian square, showing you a little bit of Chongqing. This is where a lot of people come and they film, so we're gonna kind of walk around and you're gonna see a lot of people taking pictures. You can see them already. And we're just gonna walk around in a circle a couple times and just kind of go through some of this peripheral parts and just kind of give you an idea what it looks like from different angles. So this is Liberation People's Monument, and we're going to show you what it looks like as the lights just are starting to come on and everybody is enjoying the space. Okay, Chongqing, one of my favorite cities in all of mainland China. And I was filming there and I just created, I created 39 videos. So we're about 1/3 of the way through. So that means I still have at least another 20 to upload. So that means you should subscribe and check it out. The AI music, I created the lyrics and then I found a program to make it into a song. So that's where that comes from. I'll put the lyrics behind me so you can see. It's basically walking around a square in a circle, taking pictures like everybody else sees there. So there's a lot to see in Chongqing, so just come and see the other ones, but this is kind of one that everybody comes and sees, and so every YouTuber that goes to Chongqing, they'll film this spot. And all the tourists as well. So the song is just kind of like a reference to that, funny reference. You probably want to know exactly where it's at, so that's on the map behind me. And next we're going to be doing the walk and talk, where you'll hear me with the camera and just kind of talking and commenting in live time, which is also interesting to hear as well. So subscribe, because I got at least over 25 more in Chongqing, and I love the city so much that I'm definitely going to go back again, and I'm going to film more, because it's such a cool place. Okay, hopefully you enjoy this one, walking around the square in a circle. So we're going to meander into the crowds, and you can see all the people taking pictures, kind of everywhere. And that's the monument that they're all getting the picture of. And I'm just going to kind of come to the sides of this monument so we can see what it looks like in each direction. So I guess this would be the first direction with the pink. Well, it's not pink anymore. But this one looks like it goes down about a block. So you can see that. Sorry. There's McDonald's right there. And it ends right about there. I think sometimes it goes down further and sometimes it'll go down more. We'll see, because we're going to look at all different sides. So that's side number one. So now we're going to go down this way. So kind of looking at the monument, the sides, the monument, square, Liberation Monument, something. There we go. And now we're going to view over this side. So this will be the second side, which would be this one over here. There's the monument. So this would be number two. Side number two. And I think this one goes down about the same distance, it looks like. Doesn't look like it goes down too far. Maybe about 1 block. And I think that's a train station down there, I think. So we're gonna come back this way. Then we're gonna look in the next direction, which would be number 3. I saw this before, all the people doing pictures by the flowers. I don't know what holiday that is. Okay, so this is another view of the monument. We're gonna come down this way. Yeah, people really like this monument a lot. Like everybody's taking pictures of it. It must mean a lot because so this one goes down a little bit further. So you can see it kind of goes down like maybe about twice as far as the other, as 1 and 2 that we looked at. And there of course is the monument. So a little bit further. So we're gonna go to number 4 now. Lots of people taking photographs from all the different angles of this monument. Gonna go a little bit further, then we're gonna look at number 4 and look down. So we kind of started at this spot. I wasn't really, and I think this one goes down about the same distances. So it looks like about 3 of them go down about 1 block and 1 of them goes down about 2 blocks. So we're gonna see that. So yeah, you can see the end of the street right about here. So I guess what would that be? Maybe 6 square blocks or something like that. Maybe 4 square blocks, but 1 goes down a little bit further, something like that. So anyways, another little slice of Chongqing for you. Monument Square.
Chongqing, baby, walk in a circle around the square and take photos. It's Chongqing, baby. Liberation Monument, let's take some pictures of it. Everyone gather around from all around. Okay.